We will guide you through how to make a particle transition edit in CapCut PC. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, access the Windows Start menu on your computer and locate CapCut by entering its name into the search field. Launch the CapCut desktop application from the search results and wait until the editor is fully loaded before continuing. Open an existing project if you have already started editing, or create a new project if you are beginning from scratch. Import the video clips you want to transition between if they have not already been added to the project. Arrange the clips in the correct order on the timeline so they meet exactly where you want the transition to appear. Click the Transitions tab from the top toolbar to open the transition library. Wait for the transition library to become available before searching for a specific effect. Search for particle using the transition search bar and allow the matching results to appear. Browse the available particle transition effects and compare the different styles until you find one that best matches your video's overall look. Select the particle transition you want to use by clicking it to preview the animation. Once you are satisfied with the preview, drag the transition onto the cut between the two video clips on the timeline. Change the transition duration to match the pacing of your edit. A shorter duration creates a quicker transition with fast-moving particles, while a longer duration produces a slower and more noticeable animation. Watch the playback carefully and pay attention to how smoothly the first clip changes into the second. Fine-tune the duration if the effect feels too fast or too slow by making small adjustments until it matches the rhythm of your project. Review the edited sequence again to ensure the transition flows smoothly and blends naturally with both clips.